Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is a good news from Mindtree that it is conducting off-campus drive for Analyst Cross Functional role. Any engineering graduates from any specialization can apply for this position. Watch the video till the end to know complete details about this. And the education graduate in any discipline, that is any branch, can apply for this position. And the role coordinator who will interact with candidates and interviewers as required to ensure timely hiring operations and onboarding of fresher hires at Mindtree. This could include calling talent, scheduling interview panelists, organizing connect sessions with talent and Mindtree, and more. This work is functional, fundamental to the success in hiring and all. And the description about the company will given, you can go through this. To apply for this position, link will be given in description. After clicking that link, you will receive a web page like this. Here you need to upload your resume for any further updates regarding careers and hiring related queries from Mindtree. If you upload your resume in that, you will receive notifications or updates through your email. After clicking that apply link, you will receive a web page like this. Here you need to fill all your details, and after filling all the details you need to submit the notice period is given. How many days you can join, within how many days you can join in the company, you need to select. And after selecting all the details, you need to submit the form. And one more thing, if you have any queries regarding this, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. And any other related queries, join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups so that you will get latest updates on that. Thank you.